So hello everyone. Recently, I thought why don't I um, get myself much into the fundamentals of computer science and stuff. So I have started going through some videos of these Comptia. So in the meantime, I don't have a proper internet connection. So I thought why don't I download these videos and watch them when I got time possible. So now I'm checking out this free video lectures by Professor Messer on Security Plus of CompTIA. So as you can see, this course consists of around 121 videos. I mean, this playlist consists of 121 videos. It's a lot of videos. So what I did was beforehand I have downloaded this. So let me show you. Yeah, as you can see here, on the 121. Let me show you the number. See, as you can see here, there are 121 videos. Now the thing is that actually I didn't like this naming. Like, see this naming, it's not clarity. It doesn't have clarity of the thing. So it so I can't keep a track of how many I have watched or which one I'm gonna watch. So I thought, why don't I rename these things to proper in a proper format? So actually, not to do these things, we can use things like this called bulk rename and stuff. But I'm a fanboy of regex, so I thought, why don't I do this some manual way and show you what I'm gonna do. So first what I'm gonna do is remove all these white spaces in here, so I don't have to deal with the spaces and stuff while changing the naming conventions. So first, let me do just create a while loop, and what I'm gonna do is rename these things to something. Let me just rename the line to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use parameter expansion here. So something like this, and line, and I'm gonna replace space with a hyphen. So every space in here just gets replaced with a hyphen. So done, and let me pass ls. Let me type the ls into as the input. So yes. So what it does was just change the spaces into hyphen, so it looks much good. But I don't like all this stuff of thingy, like I don't want to have this CompTIA security plus SY07 and stuff. So let me just remove that quickly. What I'm gonna do is mm, let me do something with just a dash. That will be good. I'm gonna make a copy of this thing. Copy, paste. Yep. So enter. Yeah, I have just missed flow bracket here. Yeah, yeah. You can see we have some same files, but actually the problem is that I think most of these files were named manually. So it consists of a bit of back and flow or case sensitivity. So we got one, two, three, four, and this one authentication we have commas. Let me just manually do these things so I don't have any clutter in them in between. So then, then let me just manually remove these commas. Done. One done. And yeah, this deception stuff. Or I can just simply, instead of typing a whole thing, I can just simply copy, just Switch out this thing, swap this thing with this, and run. And illness. Yeah, this thing was done. And let me just check this side of the namings. Everything seems good to me. Yeah, this is the first video. I mean, the first video of the playlist. Let me show you that thing. This is how to pass your SY0 Security Plus exam. This is your first video. So, as it doesn't have a version number, let me just manually add it. Click on this one as 1.0, and on this side, I think we got few to get some name swap. This thing copy. Let me just bam 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 bam. Slash paste down and ls and was two. Down to two. Copy. Bam bam. Really bam. Ls and last one. Copy and bam 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 bam. Done. So as you can see, every name is just done to appropriate. It seems pretty perfect to me. And let me just check. The whole thing is just okay. We have 121, and now what I want to do is just make these version number to front, so I could have a list of the whole thing. So let me just try to grab one. Let's head and one. And so we have this. All I want to do is this. Just make this part of this thing to get in front of the name. So I know there may be many mm, other methods to do this in a faster format or easier way, but to my knowledge, this is what suits me better, and I could understand what I'm doing in this thing, so I prefer this way. So what I'm gonna do is just try to grab. I wanna only the thing, so let's start delimiting the hyphen, and it's 0 to 9, and let me delimit the dot. Give me 0 to 9. Yeah, there you have it. I have got the thing, and so I have to use this thing and rename these things accordingly. So what I'm going to do is here, let me just change the way I use this thing. So what I'm going to do is echo out $line and pipe this thing in and grep dash o and delimit squiggly 0 to 9, delimit the dot and squiggly 0 to 9, and just pipe this thing into tr to delete the hyphen. And I'm going to add $3 line here. So let me just cross check this thing. So $line grab, $line grab, $line done, and enter. Yep, let me check. Hopefully it works. Okay, as you can see, it worked pretty, and the names seem so accurate and so good to me. And the final thing I have to do is just remove this part. It can be done so easily just using the parameter expansion thing we did in the first place. So instead of assigning it anything, I'm just leaving it empty. And what I'm gonna do is change this 0 to 9 dot 0 to 9. Let me just delimit these things slash backlash to nothing. As you can see now I have pretty beautiful names of these things. So it gives me a understanding what I'm going to deal in here. So let's suppose if I want to open this video out here, I understand what the name of the video, and I have got its number two. I mean, ordering number as provided in here, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.2. So I can keep track of all these, and for the final, let me just check. Dash L. Yeah, there you go. I have 121 videos. So that's what for now. Hope you have enjoyed the video.